Today I'm going to introduce you to KHAT, the flowering plant that people love to chew in Somaliland. I didn't know what it was until I saw people chewing it in Djibouti and Somaliland. And then I asked a local what it is, and he said KHAT gives us energy. So can you explain to me what this is?
Yeah, this is called KHAT. So it's grown in Ethiopia, this one.
The KHAT plant is highly addictive and has an amphetamine-like stimulant which causes excitement and euphoria, along the same lines of Asia's betel nut and South America's coca leaf. In Somaliland, KHAT is 100% legal, and it's so ingrained in daily life that some 80% of Somali men and 20% of women are chewing it as both a social custom and to feel energized. It's like smoking cigarettes.
It's just like smoking cigarette or doing it or something like that. It gives you energy, it boosts your mind, it boosts your intelligence.
We're here with this gentleman right here who is chewing some KHAT, and I'm going to ask him a few questions. How often do you chew it?
Every day, maybe you miss 2 days a week.
And how does it make you feel?
He said he gives me more energy. Now he's digging his well. That's why he's digging KHAT.
He's digging the well, so
Yeah.
it gives him energy. KHAT is also a huge import tax earner for the government, and it provides lots of jobs because the demand is so high. You can even see these little girls are carrying KHAT on their backs. So these guys behind us are taking out a huge truck full of KHAT. It is estimated that 10,000 jobs in Hargeisa revolve around KHAT. One of the reasons why it's so common is because there are no bars or clubs here. Alcohol is banned. The people have no other place to relax, so KHAT is the only social thing that interconnects them and allows them to have fun. It's a common setting to sit in your house and chew some KHAT. If you ask me, it's better than getting drunk because you can still function perfectly normally afterwards. That all being said, KHAT is very contradictory because while it is a job creator, the people are getting too addicted and are relying on it too much. They can't function without it. It has been very interesting learning about Somalia's KHAT epidemic, and if one thing's for sure,
Somalis will accept you when you do. You're gonna be Somali.